Alright guys, today we're going to install this awesome noble carbon fiber Bulge hood scoop on a VB chassis WRX. Before we get started, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. There's going to be a paint match version coming soon, so you may want to wait for that, but I do like this carbon fiber look. Alright, as you can see, the Bulge hood scoop is definitely a bit taller than the OEM hood scoop. I do like the 3 fins of the Bulge hood scoop also. Alright, we're looking at about 1 3/4 inch for the OEM and 2 3/4 for the Bulge hood scoop, so about an inch taller. Alright, as you can see, the OEM version comes with some foam tape around the edges, and the Noble version did not. I'm guessing this is for a bit of shock absorption between the two surfaces, and maybe just a little bit of sealing. So I went ahead and just added some foam tape to the Noble version. I'll put a link down in the description below. I did have to cut the foam tape in half with the razor so that's not too thick. Alright, I expected a little bit better. Mine only comes with this bag of 8mm bolts and did not come with any washer. So I had to run to the hardware store and buy a pack of number 10 stainless steel washers. Alright, for this we'll need a ratchet with an 8mm socket along with a flathead screwdriver. First off, we'll use a flathead to pry off the middle of these pop clips. There are 11 total, 9 around the edges, and 2 in the scallop on the bottom right here. Yeah, be careful not to drop these clips. Alright, now we'll remove these 4 black bolts near the front. Alright, once all the bolts are off, this whole shroud assembly will just comes right off. Alright, next we'll remove these 4 silver nuts. Next we'll use the flathead to pop out the 3 black clips along with a white clip. Alright, fitment is pretty good. Alright, now we'll use 4 of the black bolts along with the washer to install it. Alright, we'll want to tighten the 4 bolts up evenly. We want it snug, but not too tight because we might pull the thread. And we'll reuse the 4 original black bolts to reinstall the shroud. Alright, now all we have to do is pop these 11 clips back on. Alright, definitely looks a bit more aggressive and, you know, it's a bit taller. Carbon fiber just tend to fade in the sun over time, so when that does happen, maybe I might even get it painted to match. Alright, next are some comparison shots so you guys get an idea of how the difference is. If you haven't already, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for a lot more VB Chassis WRX content. Thanks for watching.